of the year.
And what year was the truck?
81.
27 years old.
Right.
And you think it was in good shape?
It was in great shape.
Then why did you have to put gasoline in the carburetor?
No, sir.
Never did.
Never did.
Did you have to put a battery on it?
I had to put a battery in it.
Why didn't you let him use the Scooby-Doo?
No, it's pronounced scooter.
Whatever. Why didn't you let him use that?
Because he wrecked my first one 10 years ago.
So why didn't you let him use the truck?
Because I thought he was more responsible now.
So why didn't you let him use the Scooby-Doo if he was more responsible now?
Well, because that was my only transportation.
Why couldn't, that wasn't your only transportation, you had the truck.
Well, see, the truck I got for my son for when he got
So
married.
why did you let him use it?
Because I thought he was responsible.
Right, so why wouldn't you let him use the Scooby-Doo and you use the truck that day?
Because I'm not allowed to drive. I'm allowed to ride the scooter.
So they don't believe you can be drunk driving on a Scooby-Doo? The court?
I guess you could be if you get caught.
Well, once again, how can you prove he was negligent?
Because I loaned him the truck. He sat there and took off with it. There wasn't no putting gas in the carburetor.
Did you ask him what happened?
Yeah, I asked him what
happened. What
did
he tell you?
He said it just caught fire and we left it at the
Did you ask him whether he did anything wrong?
I asked him, and he didn't say yes or no. He says, well, it's burned up at the park.
You're out of right. Did you ask him a second time?
I asked him 2 or 3 times.
And what did he say?
Same thing. I mean, it don't matter. He's a liar. He's a thief. He does what he wants, and he gets away with it. I sit there, and I went to the park, and my truck sit there on fire and everything.
Unfortunately, sir, that does not influence my decision today. My decision today is based purely on whether he was negligent or not, because a 27-year-old car is likely to malfunction. How long after he got the car did it malfunction?
He didn't come back for about an hour and a half.
All right, so I'm to believe that with an hour and a half, by him gunning the accelerator.
That's my evaluation.
All right, well, any other? Sir, do you have any insight? Come on up, state your name.
My name is
Were you
Andy.
with him?
Yes.